How to see when people became friends on Facebook. To get started, open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be brought to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Friends. From here, you can view all your friends as well as your friend requests on Facebook. Then, tap on your friends. Now, open any friend's profile from here. Here, tap on the three dots beside the message option. Tap on See Friendship. Over here, you can view all your friendship information with this friend on Facebook. You can see when you two became friends on Facebook. You can also view all the posts you two share. Following these steps, you can easily see when people became friends on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.